Hello everyone, hope you all are doing good. In today's video, we will know about a very efficient technique of revision, popularly known as spaced repetition. You must have heard about this earlier, but in this video, I'm going to break it down into bits and pieces. Not only to make you understand, but also to help you follow this technique for maximum output in your academics. I personally found it to be a game changer, so watch the video till the end as it is going to be very helpful for students who have the tendency of forgetting things even if they have learned it very well. So let's get started. What is a spaced repetition method? It is a method of revision which helps you to convert your short-term memory information into long-term memory by following the technique of reviewing the already learned material at increased time intervals, from short gaps of hours or days to longer gaps of weeks or months. This method helps you fight the forgetting curve by forcing the brain to actively retrieve information and strengthening the neurons for longer retention. So let's learn this method using the graph. On x-axis I have mentioned the days, whereas on y-axis retention capacity is mentioned. So you see, the first time you learn a topic, the retention corresponds to a limited period of time, and it's a steep slope. As you keep on reviewing the content, the more the reviews you make, the flatter the graph tends to be, and consequently it will become parallel to the x-axis, making it a hyperbola curve, which is assuring the retention near to infinity, and you will never forget what you have been reviewing while diminishing the forgetfulness curve. So this method helps us in ways like building long-term memory. It is more efficient than the cramming, and it strengthens your learning. The key to follow this method is consistency and patience, and you are bang on target. Let me give you an example about how you will follow this technique. Take 2357 study method, wherein you will learn the material on day 1 and then follow it by revising in on day 2, 3, 5 and 7. It will increase your retention and transfer the data from short term to long term. Now some students would worry about the time it consumes, so I have an answer for you to consider. With each passing revision, you will cover the materials in less period of time for the next round, and that's how it won't burden you with the time load. For better and effective outcomes, consider following Anki flashcards or short notes making. I will conclude this video with a quote by Dr. Cornell that says, "Forgetting is the friend of learning," and that you need to coordinate with these two aspects of your brain for amazing results. I am glad to see you have made it till the end of this video. That's it for today, guys. I hope you found it helpful, and if you do so, do like, subscribe and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching it. See you in the next one.